Here at the Burbank Animal Shelter, they receive approximately 3,000 cats and dogs each year. Some are found on the streets, and others are dropped off by a random person or by their owners.
Quite often, animals are found stray in the street. Um, there's often people who, due to their living conditions, can no longer keep their pets anymore. So it landlord restrictions and stuff like that. And then sometimes there's people just can't afford to keep their pets anymore, and people just don't want to.
All these reasons lead to shelters overcrowding. Luckily, the Burbank Animal Shelter isn't overcrowded. But if it does during puppy and kitten season, they have no choice but to euthanize. Karen Wilcox, an employee at the Burbank Animal Shelter, who couldn't be filmed, says there is no such thing as no-kill shelters. The Burbank Animal Shelter does kill, but only under certain circumstances. Whether the animal is sick or in pain, the shelter's superintendent decides what's best for the animal's life. If the animal is too aggressive and has been turned in for harming someone, then they have no choice but to put the dog down. Lastly, the overcrowded shelters. Since Burbank must take every animal found in the city, they have to decide whether to euthanize, and that usually leads to killing the kittens and puppies first. They do this because it would be more expensive to keep the animal alive. Many shelters claim they don't kill, but like Karen said, there are no-kill shelters. When asking shelters about euthanizing, most won't speak out about it because they don't want to ruin their reputation.
I I don't really know a lot about kind of what happens with that stuff really, but yeah, we do our best to get all the dogs adopted here, and we have a very high adoption rate. So we have dogs that have been here for we had a dog called Riley that was here for over a year. We had a dog, can't think of her name, but we've had dogs here for over a year and a half before. So yeah, we do our very best to get everyone into our home.
Rescues, on the other hand, don't kill, but they can close their door on any animal if they reach their maximum capacity. ASPCA says there are 7.6 million cats and dogs that enter animal shelters each year, and of those, 2.7 million are euthanized. Without organizations and donations from supporters, many more animals would be killed without having a chance to live. In Burbank, this is Danielle Pendleton for Valley View News.